So we will talk about Toshiba VFD error, ETN, Auto Tuning Error. So normally it occurs when you are doing auto tuning of your motor, like you are initially installing your VFD, and that time you got the error of auto tuning error. Like so you are doing auto tuning, so it means like you are trying to run the motor and trying to get all the real data of your motor into the VFD. Okay, so normally it occurs at that time. So normally you can reset and run this. This is not a very like crucial error. So it is very normal, no issue on it. Like you just will reset and you will power on off, so it will work. If your problem is still not resolved, first you have to take my membership, and then you can write a mail to me with detailed problem with a screenshot of the membership. I will provide you solution, and I will give you one PDF also which will help you to resolve all your issue, and I will support continue.